Uh, Thank you. So today, um, this morning is our lecture for mobile application development. But if you guys remember, last week we already conducted, two lecture during the morning and the afternoon session because last week I haven't received the material. So for today, this morning, now instead of lecture, I'm going to start with our practical, practical one. We are going to use set up your Android Studio. But before we go to the Android Studio, before we go to the practical, you may go to your Google Classroom for this code. I already upload an assignment, the one I'm sharing here. Yes, two session. This morning and afternoon session will be a practical class. Yes, so you may check this for assignment. You may go to our Google Classroom. I already assigned to you. I have 5 attachment under assignment, which is this one, the one I'm sharing now. This one is the assignment. This one is the assignment spec, appendix A, B, C, and D. Yeah, I have 5 attachment under there. Assignment specification, appendix A, B, C, and D. Okay, so this is your assignment for this course. You guys can get the assignment right from the GC. Can anyone respond? Can you see this assignment under the Google Classroom?
Yeah.
Thank you. So, okay, I will explain this assignment first. Okay, so this is your assignment, this course code, and your session. This SEM session. Okay, so this one, as you can see here, this one is a group assignment. Okay, that's mean you need to form group of 2 to 4 members. For your class, I think you have 13, right? Let me check. Wait. Prof, 11 if I'm not mistaken. Or 13. So 13 student. So if 13 student, sorry, you form, yeah, that one you can form later. I mean, it's a group task, so you may form a group because in your class you have 13 of student. So if 13, I think three to two, two to three members. Yeah, 334. Okay, so for this group, I want you to form and submit the name at least by tomorrow, Friday. Okay, so this grouping, the name, the team member, please update to me by tomorrow. Okay, so that I know you already start your assignment. So, okay, second one is contribute 50% to the final coursework marks. Okay, so this assignment will contribute to your coursework mark. Okay, it's stated here, 50%. Okay, so submission deadline. As you can see, I highlighted this one, this part. So prototyping presentation is on next week. However, if you're still not ready for the prototyping, you may present to me on week 4 because now it's week 2 already on week 4. Okay, you may present to me. Okay, this one, prototyping presentation doesn't mean you need to deploy, doesn't mean you need to develop already one mobile application. Okay, you need to just present me the prototype. Prototype is not your final product. Prototype, prototype is like your blueprint, what you want to design for your prototype. It can be in just an image, okay? So prototyping presentation, you need to present or you just share with me. And then the final presentation and the program submission is on week 7. Okay, so the CLO for this assignment is apply mobile technologies and development methods. That means you're going to apply and you need to develop one mobile application. And then this one is, as usual, you need to present your work, your assignment. Okay, so you have 2 CLO for this one. First, you need to develop, and second, as usual, you need to present. Sketch, etc. Yes, Daniel, for the prototyping. But I think you learn about low fidelity and high fidelity, right? So you need to know how to present. But for me, as long as you present your prototyping, that's okay. Okay, develop and present. I don't think you have problem to understand this part. Okay, so scenario. Scenario, that means this is the event. Sorry, this is the development. This is the application that you can choose to develop. So under here, we have 4. Okay, you may choose any of this. So the first one, here, mobile warehouse system. Okay, so this one is a description. Okay, I won't read this description for you because I think you can understand and you can read and you may click to this link. This is all working link already click. Okay, so this one is the first one. This one is for the warehouse system. Basically for this warehouse system, if you go to the link, you may understand. If you don't understand what is warehouse, you may go to click the link. However, warehouse, that means you need to develop one mobile application for like to store. It's like an application for a business process, but to store something. Okay, this one is a warehouse. Oh, warehouse. Second is insurance. Okay, insurance system. So this insurance, okay, so this is an insurance application, corp insurance referral and rewards mobile system. So as you can see, this is what I highlight for this insurance. Currently, there are several standalone mobile application for insurance referral. Hardly, that means this is the concern. There is a platform that can use a referral mobile application, which has a variety insurance companies to choose from. Okay, that's mean under one mobile application, there are many insurance provider that the user can see and choose. So this one is for insurance company. Next is this one, ECMO Studio One Stop Info Center for OKU. By the way, for your information, this one is a real company. I interviewed there last time. Okay, so for this one, what you need to develop is for this one. Okay, for this ECMO Studio, you need to develop, you can develop an application, mobile application for the information to the public. This one is related for the OKU things. Okay, so for here, you can see the benefit, OKU facility, and maybe you can look for more function that is suitable for OKU application. Next is plantation mobile system. Okay, and the plantation mobile system, maybe you have this fire hazard monitoring, black bunch count, and fleet monitoring. Okay, so basically here is the options that you can choose. You have 4, and they have a link, and of course you can search or you can Google for more understanding. But for this requirement, for this question, what's important for you is to understand what they want, what they ask you, or what they expect you to develop. Okay, so for this one, for example, warehouse system, okay, what they expect you to develop, or maybe you can get any additional function from the link. It is a working link here. So this one just now, what is the issue, current situation, or what they expect you to develop to match one insurance company or one insurance, sorry, to match insurance provider under mobile application. for this one, the OKU just now, they expect you to develop a mobile application to tackle the concern of this OKU, which is here they gave few example, which is benefit and facility. Okay. And then the last one is presentation mobile system, fire hazard, black punch, and fleet monitoring. Okay, so you just need to choose from one out of these four. And it's a group work. Next is this one, deliverable. Okay, this one is also the same with other assignment. Okay, sorry. So this one under the prototype presentation. Okay, so like I said, you need to create a prototype of your app and present to me. So it's 10-minute presentation, should be not more than 10 slides. Should not more than 10 slides because it's only a prototype. It's not your final product. It's not your final application that you already developed, not the .apk file. Okay, so your presentation should include, of course, you should give a title to your app. And for your information, okay, this one is for your knowledge. To give title or name your application is very crucial. You should choose a name, okay, you should choose a name that reflect your application, that reflect the function of your application. Yeah, that reflect the function of your application, so that the user know when they see the name of your application, they can have the idea what is your applications about. Okay, so title of app, and then introduction. Introduction is like the description, why or what is your application, problem and solution. Like I said just now, you need to understand what is the problem, not necessarily the problem, what is the requirement. uh what is the requirement? For example, the OKU, right? Yeah, OKU, ECMO. Yeah, for OKU, you need to understand what they request. So what is the requirement of that application and solution? How you tackle or how you feel or how you develop the function in your application for your problem. And then navigation of structure chart. What is a structure chart? If you don't understand, you may Google structure chart. However, structure chart is like you, for example, one system just now your, okay, you just know, you application. So under you application, what function that you have? For example, you have 3 or 4 function, the facility, and other function maybe. Okay, so from one system, from one you split into 4 function. So the first one just now I said is the facility of OKU. Okay, under this one function, you can split into subclass. Okay, structure chart, that means you break down the your application into the function. And then the screen design. Screen design is the design of your screen, because this one is prototype. Like I said, you just design, you don't have to develop. And then the conclusion just conclude everything. Okay, so submit your presentation slide. You need to create a slide stated here. You need to create a slide soft copy to me in this one GC. However, for this one, only one team member you need to will submit. All members must participate in the presentation. Okay, and then that one is for your prototype presentation. Next is final presentation. This one is later at week 7 at, okay. So final presentation complete and prepare a 10 to 25-minute presentation. So around 5 minutes for each member. So you should cover this one. Introduction, since this one is your final presentation, so you have to make it complete. Maybe in this, because in this prototype presentation you have an introduction. For this final presentation, what I expect from you is to give me a full introduction of your application, final application. And then this one is live demo of your mobile app. That's mean by right at this stage, at this final presentation, you should come out with the .apk file. The .apk file is the completed mobile application. And then, of course, you need to submit me the source code inspection by this one. You just submit me the source code or everything needed, because I'm going to check on this one. Okay, so this is what you need to submit. This is what you need to submit. So a zip file containing presentation slide, the presentation just now for your final presentation, a program source code. A source code is the code that you write for your application. Like I said, I'm going to go to your source code to check the source code. And then the installation file, the .apk file. The .apk file is for me to install, and I can inspect your application. Okay, the .apk file. And then this one is the attachment, coursework declaration form, assignment evaluation form. Okay, for course appendix A and appendix B, I attach together in this assignment, with this assignment. So for evaluation, for this one is there's one part, okay, you may go and check. There's one part where you need to evaluate your team member, like what we did in research method last time. You need to evaluate each other. So for this one, assignment evaluation, you may send me separately. In other words, every of you need to send me this form, okay, in my to my email. You don't have to attach in the GC. Send to my email where you evaluate your friend. Okay, you may go and check this one in our Google Classroom. But this one is later, final submission, not in week 3 or week 4. And then each member a zip file containing the following items: peer evaluation forms and task description. Okay. This one too, A, B, C, and D is actually already attached. So this one is the format. Okay, so please follow this format. Last time, I noticed just one group from your class didn't follow the format for my last course with you. So please follow this format, your program, your group, your names, and your document name assignment. Okay, for example, this one. So this is the assignment criteria, CLO, CLO2, and CLO3. If you scroll back, like I said earlier, you have 2 CLO, which is you need to, this one, develop and you need to develop and you need to present. Okay, so this is the mark distribution or assessment criteria. So yeah, this one you may read. Okay. This one is another rules. Let submission as usual. Knowledge assignment will be accepted. Please do not argue with your tutor if you fail to submit your assignment on time. Okay, however, in certain circumstances, the students may be allowed to turn in the assignment late. Okay, so this one is the rules. Same with other course, other assignment, 10, 20, and 0. Okay, so I will leave this part for you to read because this is not something new to you. And this one, cheating policy. This one is basically like your plagiarism. So non-cheating policy, we have this cheating policy, your plagiarism. Okay, so yeah, I will leave this part for you to read. This is the same. Okay, so for your assignment, especially on this part, is there any question on your development? No, on this requirement? Okay, Noel, thank you. So again, let me remind you, tomorrow I expect to get a list from you guys for the grouping. Okay, so let me stop presenting. So, like I said just now, okay, that one is your assignment. So again, for your assignment, because this one is already week 2, so if you think you need more time, as usual, you can talk to me. Because I also received this one, I think around this week. So it's okay, you can talk to me regarding the submission or if you have any issue with your assignment. Okay, so now let's proceed with our practical. For practical, like I said, we're going to use Android Studio. me share. Okay, Android Studio. This one, if I'm not mistaken again, I already uploaded into the Google Classroom. Yeah, I already uploaded. So this one is basically for 14 weeks. As you can see, we only have this one document. Okay, practical list, the one that I'm sharing here. So practical list. So 14 weeks, I mean, for this 14 weeks, this is what we're going to use. However, there's a link here. Okay, so if you go scroll to the week 13 and week 14 here, that's mean we only have assignment, sorry, for this last 2 week in our semester, for our semester, this one we're going to focus on your assignment. Okay, on your assignment presentation, sorry, on your presentation. Okay, that's mean we only have 12 weeks for your practical. Okay, so for the last 2 weeks, they're reserved for this presentation. Okay, let's see in the next week, around this week, if we already, because this one is actually for KL branch, they have like hundreds of students for this class, so that's why they set 2 class. If not, if we already finish everything, we are going to do your revision. Okay, but that one is later, towards the end of this semester. However, for practical, my point here is you only have this 12 practical. Okay, so this link is clickable. It's not a broken link. I already tried. Okay, so for the first one, sorry, for the first class of our practical this week is, oh, by the way, this class is not same with our, if I'm not mistaken, I have another class with you where I upload the installer, right? I don't remember, but I think, yeah, with your class too. But for this class, they don't provide us with any installer. So we just click to this link. And like I said, everything is a working link. However, to install this one, it takes time. So for this morning, this session, okay, my target is for you to install Android Studio. Okay, first install Android Studio, and second, NetBeans. NetBeans is for Java, right? Oh, they are the class. Oh, yeah, because this semester, all my class are programming class, so I don't remember. Yeah, for the NetBeans and stuff, I provide the installer, but for this one, they don't, oh, sorry, I don't have any installer to upload or to share with you, but you may click to the link. Okay, so this one is mine. Okay, this one is mine. So for your part, I shouldn't share this one. Sorry. I, I will give you time to, for the practical, you just click on the link and press Control. I'm looking on the, oh, because this one I already done. Okay, if you click on the link, they should, this one is mine because I already installed. However, it's not that complicated actually. If you click to the link, they will lead you, yeah, they will open Android Studio download for you. Download the patch. Okay, so I'm not sure if it is the problem with my machine or the connection. I'm not sure, but for to download this one, it will take time. Okay, so I will give time for you to download this Android Studio first. You just have to follow the instruction actually. It's not that complex. Okay, so yeah, before I give time for you to download and set up your Android Studio, is there any question?
No.
I want to share a link with you guys. It's okay. You may start. mm, You may start set up your Android Studio. If you have question, you may ask me. For this course, are we using Java or Kotlin? I just choose Java. The download link is where? The download link is the download link is this one. Okay. Okay, this one is the one that I upload in our Google Classroom. Okay, the download link is in this. You just click on this one. On the practical assignment, on the practical day. This one. Here's the scale I share with you. Actually, this one is the link. This one is the link that I get from this one too, our practical list here. Okay, so you just follow this link, the same link. So, okay, this one is my link, right? The one that I share with you. If you already click with your practical list, it is the same. Okay, so when you click that link, when you click or when you go to the link, they will get you to this page. So you just, you just create, then you just click on next. So here, install Android Studio. So Android Studio, so this one is the Android Studio download page. There's another link. Just click on that link. And then here, download Android Studio. Okay, download Android Studio. This is the link directly to this page to download Android Studio. Yes, it is actually this. Actually, there's another link I want to share with you. Yeah, the one that I share, the last link is a YouTube link. That one is not from our practical. However, that one is, once you already set up everything, that one is like tutorial for you to see how to start with uh, Android Studio. Okay, so I will give time for you to download and settle your Android Studio. Jonathan, you have done your installing, right?
Yeah, miss.
So did you already start the Android
The
Studio?
project. Yeah, I'm just starting.
Because after you already start, you need to. Do you mind to share your screen?
Oh, sure. Hold on, Um,
Why your installing is fast? Is it because your connection?
Possibly connection and my computer speed is quite faster. It's quite fast, maybe.
Is it for gaming PC?
Yeah, yeah,
Ah, so this is yeah. So you have two file, right? XML and the main activity, that one.
yeah.
If you it's loading. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Actually, can you get the link, right? The one that I shared, the last link for YouTube,
YouTube.
the one in the message box. Yeah, I share a YouTube link.
Should be
Yeah,
writing the code.
this
Oh,
one.
I'm currently in.
Actually, since you already done, or to other student who already done, you may refer to this link. To this link. To this YouTube link. Okay, to start your, because this one is only the hello world, just to display the hello world screen. So yeah, I think to start also will take time. So after everything is okay, you may try using that link. But I think yours, your Android Studio is okay already.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Nathan.
Okay.
Hi. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen and my laptop currently is very slow. So mm, I want to share you this part. You can see right my screen. Yes. So under your device here, okay, you can see I have 3 devices already installed. For you, I suggest you not to do like what I did here because this one will take your space. So I've tried with 3 devices. This one is 8.8, 513, and 3.4. Because if you go to our practical list, there's a link where you will follow this step, and then this step will ask you like to create or to get a device. Okay. So, and then there's another link that I share with you, the YouTube link to create the hello world. Okay, so for that one, if you already have one device here, one device, for example, I have 3, right? If you already have one device, I think that's enough. Okay, you don't have to install because this one already take my space, and my PC, my machine is currently very slow. Okay, so it's not moving. So if you want to run, let's say for those who already okay already, actually you can select your device up here under this drop down menu. Actually show you what device that are available, so you can click on that device. But my point here So, other student, do you have problem with your uh, installation? Daniel, are you okay with your installation? You already installed? Since already 30 minutes, so I assume all of you already installed and set up your Android Studio. Okay, so because this is our first practical, so I'm going to give you introduce you a bit about this Android software to create your mobile apps. Okay, so this one is your interface if you see or if you already install. Okay, this one is your interface if you already install. So what you can do is first you can go to up here, top left here and create a new project. Okay, and then create a new project. So you should see these two. Okay, they will create two file for you, which is the .xml. This one is where you're going to write your code or edit actually, and then this one is your main activity.kit. Okay, so since this one is we just want to create a simple interface, simple patch, one patch only. Okay, so if you go to here, you cannot see this code, you cannot see this console. What you can do is you go to click here, split. Okay, split, and you can see this one, this menu and this code if you click on split or even code. So you can actually, if it's up to your preference, but actually you can go to split. You can go to split and see this code next to your patch. Okay, so for example, if I'm not mistaken, the first one was just a text, hello world or something. Okay, so for this one you can edit. Okay, for Android Studio you can edit. So just now you can edit this one, and if you want to add anything, you just type hmm, you just type this one Android and it will show you what is the available function. Okay, so just now text. Okay, you may just, okay, for example, I choose text color here, and then this one is the menu that you can choose. Okay. So now, like I said just now, why it's better for you to split because you can see this one next to each other. Okay, so let's say this one is your let's say this one is done already. You can for first time you need to create a device. Okay, create a device. Yep, it should lead you to this page. Select a hardware. So for Android Studio, we have this category here, tablet, OS, TV. But now we are going for mobile. So you may choose any mobile here. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Let's say I go with this one. Hmm. Okay. So this one you need to download too. Okay. I'm not going to download this one because I think I had enough. Okay, so you just follow to download the target. I mean your system. Okay, so you just click. If you follow to the YouTube link, it will be the one that I share with you. It will be this one. So you just click on next. Okay, and then because I already have this one, so I just click on finish. Okay, if not, they will ask you to download. For every, let's say I have three here. I have three devices here. For every of this device with the operating system, sorry, with the system just now, I need to download. Okay, but it will fill your space here. Okay, that's why I said just now, if you already have one, you don't have to follow all the reference that you get. It's enough. It's up to you actually. If it's up to your machine. If your machine can carry, then it's okay. But for me, it is not. So it's enough if you have one with this one. So when you click on this run, you should see actually a mobile, a visual. Six API. I need to stop. By right, when you click any, oh sorry, if you have one device and you click to your device, it should pop up an emulator to your apps, to your device, sorry. So currently have two running device. I need to turn off one of these. Yeah, my laptop stuck again. So up to that level just now, up to that patch just now, is there anyone have any problem? Ivan, are you okay with your Android Studio? I think it's only my machine. Oh, I need to kill my session. Guys, can we have mine still loading the Android Gradle project? Calvin Shark, that one is still, sorry, I mean, That's normal. It's not only you. Like I said, it's depend on machine. If you are using gaming machine, gaming laptop should be okay. But mine is my laptop for working, so that's why my machine also very slow. It's not only your machine, my laptop as well. I killed the operation so many times. Guys, can we have 10-minute break? Can can we start back around 10:23 a.m.? Okay, thank you.
So hi everyone. I think you can hear me, right? I want to share something with you, but this one is not. If your machine is too slow, I'm not sure if this is too basic. If you know this, then that's okay. For those who do not know, yeah. For those who do not know, this one is currently my operation. If let's say this Android Studio is in idle mode that means there's no process. I'm not sure again if you know this or this is too basic for you to know. Okay, uh, this one currently is my Android Studio is very busy. So what you can do if it is in idle mode, you can terminate this session. That means it will close your Android Studio. If it is not working at all, you can kill your session in here. Okay, again, I'm not sure if this is too basic for you to know. If yes, if you know, then that's okay for you. For those who do not know, you can go to any of this process. So currently I have this one, Android Studio, this one and this task manager. So currently, as you can see, this one is very high with this machine. So you may end the task. Okay, if you have the problem. If you end the task, it will kill the session and it will close, terminate this process. Okay, so for just now, Jonathan Ian, right? Since you already installed, did you manage to display the, or can you get the Hello World patch? Can
Yeah,
you
it's
mind
working.
to share your screen?
Oh, okay, hold on now.
This one is which screen that I'm sharing? No, L. How about your machine? Is everything okay?
Noel's house has no current. He mentioned in the group, WhatsApp group.
Oh, I didn't check. Okay. Rachel, are you okay? I mean, your who is this? Name. Lim, the one that you asked me, right? You just need to wait.
Miss.
Yeah. No, wait. Ian, is the audio come together with your application?
Oh no, no, that's my. Sorry, that's my Spotify.
No, 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 no. I thought because actually for Android Studio we can have some like it's not an audio. It's like a sound, a notification sound. Yeah. So this one is your machine. So how many devices you already download for this visual machine? You only
One,
have
one.
okay. Yeah. So to other student, right, you don't have to download like me. I tried all and it take my space. You need to click. Ian, please, can you show them how to display the patch? The
Hey,
simulator. This is the simulator. The
the
phone.
emulator. You mean like
Simulator.
this thing? Let me cue. Uh, this. You mean this one?
Oh, your laptop is so fast. Yes,
Just click this.
you can choose device if you haven't have any device yet. But this one you already have, right? On the next to your on the top there, next to your execute button.
Here.
Mm.
Technically, I just go here and then press start. It's the same thing. Yeah.
Chuck, can you get the step just now? I don't think I can share my.
Display page or
I
okay.
think the email letter.
There's a symbol here. Then you find this thing, device manager.
I have the screenshot to that one. Wait, let me share with you guys. Chuck, I sent a screenshot in our WhatsApp group to display that one. Okay, thank you, Ian.
Okay.
Who else don't have problem? Celine, are you okay with your machine, with your Android Studio? Can you get the email letter or the simulator too? Elsa. Wang Zisheng. You already bought the patch. Hello world not display. Hello patch. Do you mind to share your screen?
Okay.
Or content. Left the meeting. Wong, are you okay with your Android Studio?
Okay, you can see my screen.
Mm.
So, okay. Okay.
Already.
Wait.
Click on the play and execute. Oh, it's already running. You need to.
Yeah, it doesn't display the hello world.
Try you bring up the yeah, bring up yeah.
Scroll.
No, the uh task manager. Existing apps. Sorry, existing apps.
Wait.
Bring up the existing apps. This should be.
But
Oh
I
no,
can see.
roll roll back the menu. Extend the menu.
How is it?
Add menu. Add menu. Roll up the Google thing.
This one.
No, roll up the Google
Bottom.
search bar.
Okay.
Your
Oh, hello world. Is that beside YouTube?
message.
This one
No,
is set to
no.
contact.
Don't think you have it there.
Try you go left and right at the homepage. Maybe it's located there.
No, it's not.
There's no hello world in there.
Yeah, it's not.
Try. Yeah, didn't install. Haven't installed yet. Yeah, click the play. Pixel 4 XL. No, 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 close, close. Click the play beside beside the pixel. No, no, no,
This one.
Up,
no, no, no. Right,
the
right.
green.
Yeah.
Still not there.
Actually,
Stuck already.
kill your session. Try to turn off this emulator and then you try to run again. No, but
Again.
hmm,
Oh, yeah, it's here already.
you rerun, right? I mean, yeah.
That's
Okay.
me run number. Okay.
I'm your assistant, here to help you throughout your day. You can try saying to get started.
Okay. Didn't install. Run the play button. Still building.
Okay.
Okay. Shark. Okay, right?
Okay already.
What is this? Didn't install. Run the play button. Still building. 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 Okay. Kelvin Shark. Still. Kelvin Shark, are you okay? At least you reach the page. Need to download the queue. Oh, this one is based on your. I know this one is the YouTube link, right? You're referring to the YouTube link. Is it? Yeah, the YouTube link. Like I said, this one is the queue is the system. So if you already set by right when you download, sorry, when you want to build one device, yeah, the device there you need to download with the system. So if you don't have, yes, you need one. So if you follow the YouTube link, it will go to the queue. So if you don't have any yet, yes, you need to download that one. But if you already have other device, you don't have to. Okay, Shak? Am I answering your question? Okay. That's not. Lim, are you okay already, Lim? Okay, Lim. Jeremiah. Yes, Jeremiah. Your screen is okay already. Ian, if you don't mind, I want to ask you, can you go to, oh, Jeremiah, wait, can you go to your task manager and see the power usage for your Android?
Okay, done.
I just want to see.
My power usage. Very low
Very low.
for now. Yeah, power usage.
Okay, thank you, Ian. That's the different, the machine. Mine is very high already. Jeremiah, what's your, oh, this laptop, right? What's your issue, Jeremiah, just now? You cannot see the hello world, is it? Try to stop, sorry, try to turn off your uh, device, visual device, and try to start again. Okay, Jeremiah. Okay. Wong, the Wong, not Solomon Wong. Are you okay with your Android Studio? Adding a new device. Wow. Can you see the Hello World emulator, the patch? Okay, then you're good to go. Thank you, Wong. Daniel, how are you, Daniel? Are you okay with your device? Can you see the Hello World patch? If you're okay, then okay. I see it. I see it. Okay. Celine, I already asked, right, Celine? Celine, if you have problem, you may ask me later. If you still have problem. Nathan, can you see the Hello World patch? Okay. Wang Zisheng, Solomon, can you see the Hello World? Whatever you write. My mind still. Miss, my power usage. Oh, when it's in idle mode. Oh, that's mean when you execute your code, the power usage, the performance will be high. At least yours, they have process. For mine, it's like once I turn on this Android Studio, it's not responding again. It will be high already. Noel is not here, right? Is Noel here? I think for our class today, we will end here because I don't think I can proceed with this machine. I'm going to install to another laptop. Okay, so today, if you still cannot install your Android Studio, or if you have problem in installing and get the patch, the Hello World or any word, please let me know. Okay, because in the next class, I'm not sure if today or the next class, we will proceed with our practical. Oh, this laptop. Okay, so before we dismiss, is there any question? It's not a mediting plan. If no question, I think we can dismiss. Again, for those who have problem, you may ask me. We will settle your Android Studio. Okay, so if no problem, no question, I think we can dismiss now. Sorry and thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.